How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what can do is simply tap on the settings of the device. As you tap on settings, you can just go to about phone and then tap on the UI version and then just select on check for updates. Make sure that you have an updated version of the device software over here. As you can see, there's no updates available, so I'm going to go back, and then all you have to do is just scroll down the status bar and then make sure that you turn off the Wi-Fi. Then tap on the airplane mode and just toggle off this option again, and then tap on Wi-Fi option. Now, as you toggle on this Wi-Fi option, it might also refresh a lot of names over there in your Wi-Fi system. Next, what you can do is simply make a long press on the home button or the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might fix your Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.